The Alarm.com Wi-Fi doorbell camera allows you to answer the door from your smartphone, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. When a visitor presses the button, Alarm.com sends a live video feed to your smartphone so you can see, hear, and speak to the person at your door. The doorbell camera is fully integrated with the Alarm.com app, giving you the convenience of using a single app to control all your smart home devices. Full integration with Alarm.com also gives you exclusive security and automation features. For example, with Alarm.com, you can have your foyer and porch lights turn on automatically when the doorbell camera detects motion at night to create the appearance that someone's at home. You can even unlock the door right from the Alarm.com app. View doorbell-triggered video clips so you always know who stopped by while you were out. You can also get the added security of system event-triggered clips and notifications. For example, set the doorbell camera to automatically record clips during an alarm.